All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public.
India's first indigenously developed magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) scanner is scheduled to be installed for clinical trials at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIIMS) in Delhi, according to a PTI report. The machine, set to be installed at AIIMS Delhi for evaluation and clinical trials by October 2025, is expected to cut MRI costs for patients by around 50%, the report added. Besides lowering costs, the indigenous machine also aims to reduce India's dependence on foreign imports and improve public access to MRI technology. According to AIIMS Delhi Director Dr. M. Srinivas, at present, the majority of healthcare equipment in India, such as critical and post-operative care, ICUs, MRI machines, and robotics, is imported. The development of this indigenous MRI machine is a major step towards becoming Atmanirbhar Bharat to reduce dependence on foreign imported devices. As we have experience using the best of global equipment, we can compare and provide feedback for necessary improvements so that the machine is clinically proven for deployment in health facilities. The aim is also to ensure that it meets standards, Srinivas said. According to Professor Rama Jaisundar, head of the Department of Nuclear Magnetic Resonance at AIIMS Delhi, the initiative will considerably reduce the cost of MRI scanning and reliance on imported machines. AIIMS Delhi has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, METWI, Autonomous R&D Organization, the Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research, SAMEER, in Mumbai. The MoU is to install the 1.5 Tesla MRI scanners at AIIMS Delhi by October 2025. Once the scanner is validated for use in health facilities, the cost of MRI scans will drop by around 50%, making diagnostics accessible to a broader population. The Union Health Ministry is drafting norms for validating MRI scanners to give clearance to use it on patients, even during trials, as per the PTI report. According to P.H. Rao, Director General at SAMEER, there is no mechanism in place at present to check norms and validate MRI scanners in India as they are not made in the country. The body is waiting for approval to start clinical and human trials. SAMEER has spearheaded the development of two critical healthcare technologies, the 1.5 Tesla MRI scanner and a 6 MeV linear accelerator. The MRI scanner is a non-invasive medical imaging test used to visualize soft tissues, while the linear accelerator is utilized for cancer treatment using high-energy X-rays or electrons. Both projects have received financial support from METWI to help India move towards import substitution.